we have found even a honeycomb. So here there are also another species living inside this engine. Well, we're gonna vacuum everything at the moment to see where we are and what we need to do, which is actually all. And yeah, really happy of the job that we have done. And yeah, you see, we have also some rats inside there living. And well, it's a clearly barn find Porsche from United States, which we are really happy to have it here at home in Spain. And yeah, we're gonna work it out. So what we're gonna do now is to check the compressions. So with this machine, then we're gonna give some power, and then going cylinder by cylinder, we're gonna check it and see where we are. So go. So here we have some of the results that I don't know, you can see with the camera. So we are around 10. So yeah, well, we have this measurement. After that, we're gonna double check. And by the way, we need to do all the rings and full disassemble, but actually I'm quite happy that at least we have compression. Alright, one thing less. So we have the admission and injection kit, which all goes together. So you can see here, the air goes inside. So here you have the Cagetronic, and yeah, so one thing less that took a lot of time because it's full of tubes that we need to change. As you can see here, there were more animals living here inside, and well, we have some more work, Kilian,
Yeah.
to remove all this dirty engine back to
real life.
So we are trying to discover the hole between the engine and the gearbox, as is totally welded, and now we're gonna try to move it a little bit. You can see it separates a bit. Alright, so after a long time for this disassemble, we have the gearbox out. So now we're gonna see which gearbox number we have, because we want to know if we have a matching number or what we have. Well, I can see here we have big damage, which we don't know the first number maybe, but well, let's see. A little bit of archaeology. Eh? Okay. Hello everyone, I hope you have enjoyed how we did all the disassembly of this Porsche. Actually, it's been wild, no? You could see during all the video that all the car was fully abandoned. And yeah, so we have here, as you can see, all the parts of the car. Here on my left also you can see just here around, so we have the interiors and everything also organized. And yeah, I mean, this is gonna be the end of this work process, because now I have a long list to analyze, to see what we change, what we can restore, and where we go with this car, because actually some of the components are quite expensive. And yeah, you can see everything is naked. Yeah, I mean, we will continue doing stuff. As you could see at the beginning of the video, just follow me a little bit, because here we have this tunnel of parts. So at the end, here we have this Alfa Romeo that you could see the first chapter and second chapter. Now you will see the third chapter soon, because this week we start fitting all the parts. You can see we have everything organized from underneath mechanics, interiors and everything, but we still have to paint it. So yeah, I mean, here you will see also how we did all the improvement of noise blocking. You can see the car is totally solid, so that's gonna be amazing how this car will look at the end. So yeah, just to keep in tune, as we're gonna continue doing projects, I have more projects doing on the same time that we are recording and doing everything. I hope you enjoy every single minute of it. We read all your comments, and please give us a thumb up. It helps us to keep growing the channel. And yeah, I mean, we will continue doing more stuff. So thank you very much.